LATCH stands for Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children. It's the dedicated child restraint attachment hardware found on all child restraints and passenger vehicles sold in the US. The LATCH system consists of two primary components. First, there are flexible or rigid lower attachments on the child restraint, which clip onto dedicated lower anchors in the vehicle seat. Second, there's a top tether strap on the child restraint that attaches to a tether anchor, typically found on the vehicle's seat back, rear shelf, or floor. Rear-facing restraints usually only use the lower attachments, while forward-facing restraints always use both the lower attachments and the top tether. While LATCH is designed to make installation easier, it may not always be straightforward. Look for the indicator logos to help you locate the lower anchor points and the top tether anchor. Sometimes they can be hard to find or access. Certain anchor points can only be used with certain seating positions in the vehicle. If you're struggling using LATCH, check the vehicle and child restraint owner's manuals for guidance. And remember, you can always safely secure the child restraint using the vehicle belt. Make sure you use the top tether for a proper installation.